The Real Estate Investor's Guide to Flipping Houses by J. Scott is a comprehensive manual tailored for both novice and seasoned real estate investors. The book delves into the intricacies of house flipping, providing a step-by-step guide from finding and financing properties to renovating and selling them for a profit. This detailed review explores the book's key points, strengths, and any potential weaknesses, offering an in-depth analysis of its content and practical value. Chapter 1. The Basics of House Flipping. Scott begins by defining house flipping and its place within the real estate investment landscape. He emphasizes the potential profitability and inherent risks, stressing the importance of understanding local real estate markets. Practical tips on how to analyze market trends and identify lucrative opportunities are provided. Clear objectives and realistic expectations are crucial, and Scott outlines how to set financial and project-specific goals. The comprehensive introduction serves as an excellent primer for beginners, breaking down complex concepts into easily digestible information, and offers actionable advice on market research. However, the introductory nature of this chapter may leave experienced investors wanting more detailed analysis. Chapter 2. Finding the right property. Scott discusses the criteria for selecting properties ideal for flipping, including location, condition, and potential for value addition. He explains techniques for evaluating deals, such as comparable market analysis, CMA, and the 70% rule, and explores strategies for finding potential properties, such as direct mail campaigns, networking, and working with real estate agents. The detailed criteria provide a clear framework for evaluating properties, aiding investors in making informed decisions. The inclusion of tools like CMA and the 70% rule helps quantify potential deals, though some strategies may be more effective in certain markets than others, potentially limiting their universal applicability. Chapter 3. Financing Your Flip. Scott provides an overview of various financing methods, including traditional loans, hard money loans, and private lenders. He emphasizes the importance of creating a realistic budget and financial plan, offering tips for managing cash flow during the project to avoid financial pitfalls. The diverse financing options provide flexibility for investors with varying financial backgrounds, and the emphasis on budgeting and cash flow management helps prevent common financial mistakes. However, some readers might find the financing section overwhelming due to its technical nature. Chapter 4. Renovation and Construction. This chapter covers creating a detailed scope of work for renovations, finding, hiring, and managing contractors, and overseeing renovation projects, including timelines, quality control, and handling unexpected issues. The emphasis on a detailed scope of work ensures comprehensive project planning, while Scott's actionable advice for managing contractors and overseeing projects is invaluable. Nevertheless, the level of detail might be overwhelming for novice investors unfamiliar with construction management. Chapter 5. Selling Your Property. Scott discusses pricing strategies to attract buyers while maximizing profit, effective marketing strategies, and the importance of staging the property to appeal to potential buyers. Tips for negotiating with buyers and ensuring a smooth closing process are also provided. The comprehensive selling strategies cover all aspects of selling, from pricing to closing, offering a holistic approach. Practical marketing tips, including staging and marketing strategies, help investors present their properties effectively, although selling strategies might vary significantly across different markets, which could limit the applicability of some advice. Chapter 6. Case Studies and Real-World Examples. Scott shares detailed case studies of successful and unsuccessful flips, highlighting lessons learned. Common mistakes are analyzed, and inspirational stories of investors who have succeeded in house flipping are provided. The real-world insights from the case studies help readers understand the practical application of the book's concepts, and highlighting common pitfalls offers valuable lessons for avoiding costly errors. However, more diverse case studies could provide a broader range of insights, especially for different types of properties and markets. Chapter 7. Scaling your house. Flipping business. Scott discusses strategies for scaling a house flipping business, including hiring staff and expanding operations. The importance of creating efficient systems and processes to manage multiple projects simultaneously is emphasized, along with tips for long-term business planning, including setting goals and measuring progress. The focus on growth provides a roadmap for investors looking to expand their operations and increase profitability, and emphasizing systems and processes helps ensure sustainable growth. However, the advanced nature of this chapter might be challenging for beginners who are not yet ready to scale their business. The Real Estate Investor's Guide to Flipping Houses by J. Scott is a thorough and practical guide for anyone interested in house flipping. The book's strengths lie in its detailed step-by-step approach, practical tools, and real-world examples. Scott's emphasis on planning, budgeting, and managing projects provides a solid foundation for successful house flipping. However, the complexity of some sections might be overwhelming for beginners, and the market-specific advice may not be universally applicable. For novice investors, this book serves as an excellent starting point, providing a comprehensive overview of the house flipping process. More experienced investors will also find valuable insights, particularly in the sections on scaling and managing multiple projects. Overall, J. Scott's Guide is a valuable addition to any real estate investor's library, offering practical advice and inspiration for achieving success in the house flipping business. Check out the book link in the description. Like, subscribe, and share your thoughts or questions in the comments.